You have reached your destination.
Yup. No oil so far. No oil at all. And oh, why the heck not? I figured I just start it up one more time. I was gonna do it from the engine bay, but do it from here instead. This works. Yep. Yep. Well, it gives me gives me gives me great pleasure to say that my oil leak is fixed. Finally. And it wasn't hard. So I'm showing you the freeze plugs, the cord plugs, and they haven't popped. I've let this thing heat soak for a while and they still haven't popped, so I'm confident they're not going to pop. And let me see if I can pause and find what I need to show you. Right here, in the center of the screen, which looks like a silver circle, you can see, damn it, come on now. You can see that I've shaved down the engine plate just a titch to get to that plug there. That's what was leaking. That is the oil gallery plug that runs the length of the engine, the high pressure plug, right? High pressure gallery. And at the end, at some point, you've got to plug the damn thing, and mine had leaked. So I took it out, I thread locked it, put it back in, and Bob is your frickin' uncle. Let's see if I've got any other. I had a leak. Nope. Tighten all that down, no leaks. Boy, I hate the smell of that ethylene glycol after it heats up. I need to replace the thermostat because I took it out at one point thinking maybe I was cavitating, but I do need to put it back in. Everything else is good to go. I have no other leaks. I have no other problems. That's actually just me dropping oil there, but so I need to clean this engine bay out. I'll take it outside at some point after I've driven it for the first time and detail the engine bay, put some simple green in there and let it do its thing. And I don't know how to say this to myself, but I'm ready for the test drive. So, hell yeah, it's about dang time. And by God, now I can get into this in a big way.